EAS will be your visiting team.
Hey, let's go to the plate.
Utah or Colorado B team.
Goddamn bourbon ball.
Winners bracket final. It's Classic Glass who already broke their huddle. They're also in white. Alright, 75 degrees at game time. No wind to speak of. EAS, your visitors. Classic Glass, the home team. AA versus B. It's going to be Brian Atchison, former Classic Glass backup pitcher. Going to lead things off. Bouncer to short. RJ Consigny. Safe at first. It's Bo Andrews on the mound for Classic Glass. Josh Talent pops it up. Brady Stewart there. At third, RJ Consigny at short. Blake Lively in the middle. Bo Andrews pitching. Billy Wright, second base. Ryan Ramirez first. Tom Formosa catching. Left, right in the outfield, Dan Kirkwood, Greg Downing, and Jeff Andrews. Rusty Gill strikes out looking. That's John Stevens on the dish for the conference umps. Classic Glass bat bucket. Oh, fails. Walk. Well struck by Robeson. Caught at the fence by Kirkwood. And Kirkwood leadoff single for Classic Glass Easton. Allen at first. Zalianardo in the middle. Robeson at second. Andrews pops up to left field. Charles at short. Marcos Pisano at third. Tanner Westmoreland pitching. Ramirez to short. Charles. Robeson. Robeson throws it away. Shannon Smith to left. Garcia makes the catch. Pereira with a double. I think I mispronounced earlier. He's the left fielder, I believe.
Good ball, E.
Zalianardo with a RBI triple. Joe Lewis with an RBI double. 3. Pitcher Tanner Westmoreland. Flies out, run will score. I think it's 3-0 EAS. There. Pisano, the last batter in the lineup with a double. Rolls the top. Atchison RBI single. Josh Talent, base hit.
Go ball, Joshua!
Blake Lively leading off the bottom of the second. He's from right here in Washington. I think Seattle even. We're at the Hogan Park, 80-foot bases, unlimited homers. Fences 330 down the lines. 370 to the gaps, and either 375 or 395 to center, depending where you're at. Easton Charles at short. Pisano at third. I think it's Cabrera in left. Garcia in right. Brady Stewart left center. Billy Wright. Downing, base hit to right.
No.
RJ goes, or Billy Wright goes to third. Classic last 2-0s to start the game. Ryan Ramirez for Classic at first. Billy Wright at second. Blake Lively in the middle. Shortstops RJ Consigny, third base. Brady Stewart. I didn't say that already. Games are starting to run together. Kirkwood on the run, makes the catch. Aerobus in the center base hit. Stays at first. Right center by Cabrera's extra bases. Leonardo got all of that one, but it's the deepest part of the park. Off the gate. 2-run double. 6-zip. Garcia walks. Joe Lewis to the 370 mark. Off the gate. Leonardo's gonna score. Garcia to third. 7-0. Andrews makes the catch. Run's gonna score 8-0. Pisano. Brady Stewart lays out, gets it to Blake Lively for the out. Classic Glass gets out of it. They're trailing 8-0. Andrews leadoff base hit for Classic Glass, down 8-0. Bo Andrews gets an automatic runner for the pitchers, brings up Tom Formosa. Base hit, left field. Rolls the top. Top of the order for Dan Kirkwood. Line drive, 3 beautiful line drives here to start the inning. Run's gonna score 8-1. Andrews, base hit through the middle. 4 straight hits to start the inning. Bases loaded. Ryan Ramirez, a nasty line drive to left. Gone. Grand slam homer. Makes it 8-5. Oh, nice play by Pisano at third. I think Shane Smith just broke his bat. Brady Stewart with the base hit.
Come on, Billy.
Base hit, double, triple by Atchison. Start the 4th. Well hit by Talent, right center. Gone. 2-run homer makes it 10-5.
Well, we already knew that. We knew that coming into the tournament.
Hard to see in the shadows. Nice play by Bo Andrews. Lively in the middle. Throws to Ramirez for the out. 10-5. 10-5 on the Talon homer. A beautiful weekend for softball here in Seattle. We're on duel number 2. The Hogan Park. 5 fields. All right, winners bracket final 10-5. Duel number 2 at the Hogan Park baseball field using the ZN Stadium ZN ball. Downing leads off with a base hit. Consigny back to the pitcher. And a double play. Home run, Bo Andrews. Solo shot makes it 10-6. Last pitch to Falcone, who went in for Formosa. 10-6, top of 5. EAS in the all-white leading Classic glass. Bo Andrews pitching to Cabrera. Cabrera to right center. They had him well played. Andrews is there. Kirkwood with the rolling catch. Lively backhands, throws to Ramirez for the out. EAS puts up a 0. Bottom of the 5th, starting to get late here. Classic glass, winners final. Jeff Andrews is a solo homer into the over the 330. 10-7. All right, Ramirez gets it through to left side. Was playing center field his last game, and he pulled a hamstring or a muscle. He's playing catcher now. Shannon Smith, who snapped his bat last time up when he lined out to third. Grounds to second. They get the force. Blake Lively gets the gap in right center to the 370 mark. Gonna be an RBI triple as Shannon Smith scores. And it'll be 10-8 on the Stewart line out to left. Billy Wright hits it out of here, no doubter over the scoreboard. 10-9. Downing missed it. Alright, score update. We're actually tied at 10, top of 6. Nobody seems to really want this game, even though it's a big one. You lose here, you got to win 3 straight to win the tournament. Joe Lewis, it's a homer on a circular field. And he walks after all that. Tanner Westmoreland tailing away from Andrews. They're going to be extra bases. Pitcher helping himself. It's going to be an out. Now they got a guy at second. And he's out. That was a rough base running mistake. Probably should have sent him at third. Kirkwood backpedals, makes the catch. Run's going to score 11-10. And a strikeout on the foul out. Bottom of the 6th, Classic glass down 11-10. Bottom of the order, RJ Consigny, Bo Andrews, and Ben Falcone. Westmoreland's pitch, shortstop's got it, dropped it, and safe at first. Falcone with a nice liner down the right field. It's going to be a single. Tying run on third. Top of the order, Kirkwood at the plate. Swung on deep right, could be, and is. 3-run homer and the lead. 13-11.
Stay there, Todd.
Andrews to left center where it's 395. Makes the catch. A pinch runner for Ramirez. Classic Glass has their first lead here in the bottom of the 6th. Janet Smith at the plate.
No, heavy.
Janet Smith, a line smash homer, up 385. Classic Glass up 15-11. Lively with another hit.
Stay down. Yes, Blake. Yes, Blake. Four. Knock it down, Jared. My bad.
Gone. Billy Wright, 2-out, 3-run homer, 18-11. And timeout on the field. And that'll do it. But they get 8 runs on 3 big homers. Classic Glass takes an 18-11 lead.
Yeah, boy.
On solo homer by Talent. 18-12. Westy Gill with the base hit. Justin Charles Downing on the run. A diving catch for out number 1. That'll do it. Classic Glass wins the winner's bracket 18-12 over EAS.